Piscine-Hippocampes was founded in 1977. Here at Piscine-Hippocampes, we're manufacturing, we're installing and selling in-ground pool, out-ground pools, hot tubs, and outside furnitures all around the Montreal area. So we're manufacturing, we're retailing, we're installing, and we're servicing all of our customers. Our complex process, involves manufacturing, and when we manufacture, depending on the customer order, we need to get the perfect parts, and then we need to transport those parts to the customer backyard, and then coordinate with the team that's going to dig and install those parts. And the old software we're using was not able to communicate between them. We were using a really old software called Akamba, which was not integrated with any other software that we were using. So we were spending a lot of time trying to piecing up items and processes together. It took a lot of time, and there was a lot of human error involved in the process. So that's why we decided to go to another solution. So initially I was looking for any kind of ERP that could integrate all the processes and the software that we needed. There was a lot of different choices, and we found Zoho to be the most simplest to use. And even though it was simple, we can deep dive into it and get complicated for fine processes here. We're always looking for a partner to help us implement all the processes. It's a complicated business, and we knew we couldn't do it alone, so we needed a partner. And we went through the Zoho Partner Program, and we found BSP through that program. It was the closest to us and the one that we had the best response with the first initial contact.
Piscine-Hippocampes had, multiple challenges. Our way of work at BSP is we always start at least with a small scope. When we did our scope, we started asking questions, understanding the process, so we can see what would be the right fit. So the persons in accounting, we're using an accounting software for now around 20 years. So the human challenge of changing from an accounting software or software as it matters to a new one, we're there. So to respect the accounting part in books is the right fit for the right process.
First Zoho book, for me, for us, Piscine-Hippocampes, will be a huge wow effect right now. Since day one, it was one of the apps that we saw a huge upscale from what we used to have. Because sometimes when you have 45 people waiting in line to pay their chemical, their parts, and oh my God, we need to stop, then it's not good for the business. It's not good for everybody, that situation. So right now, there's none of this that is the issue. Everything runs smoothly. The other thing that's really come in mind will be all the error that sometimes a customer can make or an employee can make on the billing on a order that we do. And with Zoho Book, we can modify it right away. There's no issue, there's no big problem, everything needs to stop. So it's so amazing for the flow of the operation, that everything is smooth, customer service is amazing, and this for us is so important. One of my favorite part of Zoho Book will be there's no delay in the POS system. The cash department in the back don't need to stop. The reason is the flow is just perfect all the time, and the customers, you come in the store with a smile, you leave with a smile. That's exactly what we need.
As a manager, having Zoho Books reports available at all time, anywhere, I can pull the laptop, access to all the reports, instead of having to use an old system of old school reporting and local save file. Now everything is on the cloud, so I just log in and I can see what happened today at the store.
For me, Zoho is what we can call future.
Zoho is great because you can use it in a really simple way and get your everyday needs done. But if you want, you can do a deep dive with automation, you can save human cost, human error, and really program it the way that you want to. It's a really great thing about Zoho.